We are all ready to go, girl. We're gonna do like a little makeup look. Look at this. We are ready. There's only the paint pot, the primer on the eyes to put, and then we're gonna be ready to go. I was like, today I don't want to be doing something too complicated. I wanted to do like a very soft kind of contoured type of look, which is super amazing. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like. Oh my god. And it's gonna be kind of like a warm, beautiful glam. Like there's gonna be some warm tones in here, so I'm excited to see where it's gonna lead us in this journey of makeup looks, because eyebrows are on fleek, and we have to start with the Painterly Paint Pot from MAC Cosmetics. This thing is so annoying. Did you guys see my Bobbi Brown haul? Like, I am so excited to be trying all of the products that I bought. And there's going to be another haul coming, which I think I'm not going to post it this week because 2 hauls in a week is kind of like too much. Like, we got to like keep the hauls for another day. But I want to post it so bad because I'm so excited to be, showing you guys what I bought the other time. But the thing is, I might be reviewing one of the products that was in the haul that's coming, but I'm not showing you guys, so you guys are gonna know when I post it. It's gonna be review cute. I gotta tease you a bit. I can't tell you everything, you know what I mean? Like, there's some room for like mystery on this channel. Anyways, I bought some stuff again, but I didn't want to do a haul because I didn't buy enough of it. So I did go on at the MAC Cosmetics and I bought a bunch of like Powder Kiss eyeshadows as well, plus some pro blushes. So I have the taupe shade, I have Desert Rose, and like another one, like I would have to check under to make sure. I just don't want to touch it right now. So I feel like I'm gonna keep going into that shade, which is taupe. And the reason why is because I want to do that monochromatic kind of contoured look. And then I'm going to go with the other Powder Kiss eyeshadows that I bought in there. We're going to go with a little tiny fluffy brush. This is the MAC 221S. And I'm going to go with the taupe shade. Oh my god, so dark. Oof, I didn't think it would be that dark. I just know that I want to use this as my transition shade to... Oh my god, it is way darker than I expected. Okay. You guys, okay, whoops. It's okay, it's gonna be very nice because I can blend it out, and oh my god, it is so pigmented. I never tried those blushes, by the way, the matte ones, so it's the first time. I'm probably gonna do a video on it as well. It's just, I wanted to test it out first so you can have my first impressions on camera, but it is really, really pretty. Look at that. Look at my eyes. It looks like I have a crease now. Okay, this is the perfect shade for my eyeshadow. All right, so this taupe shade is just wow. I'm like shook by it. Anyways, I'm gonna take another shade, which is called Best of Me, if I'm not mistaken. It is that beautiful, like kind of nude shade. It's like more on the warm tones. Okay, yeah. This one is really, really soft, so I'm excited to be, using it all over the lid. All over. This is the perfect shade if you want to cancel out anything. It's like a concealer, but in a powder form, which this shade is the perfect one for me. Like I told you guys, I'm doing a very simple monochromatic look, and I don't have any foundation except a little bit of concealer. The rest that I use for like my eyebrows to cover them out, instead of like throwing out the concealer, I applied it all over my acne, so it does look better. But don't think it's because it got better. It's because I applied the concealer. This shade is pretty nice. What do you guys think? It looks so contoured and flawless. Ew. And then I'm going to take the white. This is called the Gesso. And I think I'm going to put it a little tiny bit under my brow bone. Oh my god, this is white. I'm still with the same brush, by the way. Like, I'm going back and forth with like multiple colors. I love this brush so much. I have one. And then I just... Sometimes what I do is I clean it up with like my brush cleanser that I put into like a... This is a bottle for... glasses cleanser. Anyways, I cleaned it, don't worry. There's no glass cleanser in my brushes. Do I add a little bit of brown? I'm like, maybe I should. Okay, so there's a brown here. It's called Give a Glam, and it's a powder kiss. I'm gonna add just a little tiny bit, just for some dimension. I want my eyes to be still open, so I'm gonna leave the crease, well, the eyelid kind of alone. Little smoky, 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 smoky. Okay, so I applied, like, I'm just gonna show you guys the colors that I applied. So I applied the blush first. I applied the Best of Me, then Give a Glam, and then Guess So right here. So just beautiful colors that we have on a daily basis on the eyes. Very neutral. I feel like it's not as warm as I thought it would be, but I mean, the rest of the face is gonna be pretty warm. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my eyeliner, do an eyeliner with the little tip because it's gonna be so much easier. I feel like I overdid it with the eyeliner, but I love a good big eyeliner. So all the work that I did on the outer corner is just gone. It's just gone, so it's okay. So I'm just gonna remove this. As you can see, the sharpness here is unreal. Except for this side, like what happened here? It's never perfect. It's never perfect, guys. It is never perfect. So that's how it is, and that's how it's gonna be. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna take the Magic Extension from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna put a teeny tiny amount on my upper lashes. And the reason why is because I want to put some falsies later on, and I just want this to be done. All right, the first upper layer is done. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go apply my foundation routine, everything, just before I do anything else, so we can be prepped for the next thing. Because I honestly, you probably saw me apply my foundation 1,000 times already, and it's just putting foundation on my face and blending it in with a brush, and with a sponge. So I'll be right back with a flawless base of foundation. My dry base is done, okay? My under eyes feel so dry. I put so much powder, to be honest. I'm like, I didn't want nothing to move. So I added a little bit of kind of like the contour shade that I had. I do look cool tone right now, but we're gonna fix this even on the eyes because it does look a little bit more cool tone at the moment because of my foundation. So this is just a process that is completely normal, and that we kind of change the makeup throughout the entire makeup process. You know what I mean? We add shades after. So I'm gonna take back I'm not gonna take back my eyeshadows. I'm gonna keep that on the side, and for now I want to put some bronzer. So this, I'm gonna take the Marc Jacobs 102 Tantric bronzer. So apparently this, I saw it everywhere on TikTok, and this, it's funny because I bought it at Marshall's, and it is one of my best loved for me bronzer ever. So massive, so beautiful. Apparently it's JLo's glow, but it's everyone's glow. So girl, if you're using it, it's your glow, it's everybody's glow. So we love a good glow. And for that, for the eyes, I'm gonna go with a little brush and just go right over with that beautiful 102 Tantric to warm up the look. So we have contour and we have bronze on top. So you can see the difference between this and this. You see the massive difference. I just put a little tiny bit and it warms up the whole entire look. It looks so much better with the foundation that I have on right now. It doesn't look as pinky, kind of grayish anymore. So that's a trick. If you put a shade and you're like, just put your bronzer on top. Just put your bronzer on top. It is the best. And I have this massive pimple. I don't know, like I have a red spot on my skin and it doesn't want to go away. I don't know what to do with it. It's okay. Okay. I think I put a little too much. A little too much. I look contoured to the max. so I do have a blush that I want to put on, but I'm gonna probably do a review on this thing. So what I decided to do is I'm gonna do my lips right away, and then I'll come back to do my highlighter because I don't want to put my blush on camera right here. We need to do this thing. So first, the lips. And you guys, I bought a new shade. I bought a couple of new shades for my lipsticks, and I'm so excited to be trying this on. I have one right now that I'm gonna try. So I got my lip primer. Just let it go on for a little bit. And then on the warmer side, I have the lip liner in Strip Down from MAC Cosmetics. Let's go on it. On the warmer tones. And then now I have this lipstick in Yash, which I heard a lot of people talk about it, so I had to buy it and to try it for myself. So let's try it out on my lips. I feel like it's way more pink than I expected. I don't know if it's my lips, but it's not as pink as I thought. It's not as warm as I thought, sorry. Still a very pretty color that definitely fits with my eyes at the moment. I feel like I thought it was more yellow than that though. Surprise, surprise! Okay, so I'll be right back with my blush on in a sec. So I'll be right back. All right, so I finally put my blush on. So anyways, if you want to go check it out, it's gonna be probably coming this week, the review on this blush. It's pretty cute, I'm not gonna lie. And we are missing some few things. I just decided to add a little bit of lash for the review, of course, because I kind of look crazy with absolutely nothing. And I also added on my lower lashes a little bit of the Marc Jacobs bronzer, this one, like I showed you guys earlier, so it didn't look as naked under the eyes. But now I have to finish off the eye, put a little bit of highlighter everywhere, and just see if I keep that lip on or I change it. Just, you know, a little pen for under my eyes. So I put that. I'm going to put a little tiny bit of mascara right under my lashes. I'm going to take the MAC Magic Extension again, which it's not my favorite under my on my lashes, but it's okay for my bottoms. So I have two highlighters that I love to mix. So I have the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish, and this one is just so pretty. Oh my god, so pretty. So I'm gonna take a little tiny brush like this, just stack it on my brush, and then add it to the top. And that's like a more golden type of color. It looks kind of similar to my skin tone at the moment, so that's why I put this one first as a base, and then I add other highlighters. I always mix my highlighters as much as possible. Oh my god. This packaging is so stupid. This highlighter is so pretty. Look at that. It's not too intense where it's too much, but it's like really good. So I'm gonna put some of the highlighter, the MAC one that I just have here. I'm gonna put it under my brow here, a little bit in the inner corner, and I think there you go. So what do you guys think of this beautiful makeup look? This is just a very soft with a crazy eyeliner. It's just like a very warm tones on the lips, on the eyes, with a little bit of contour, of course, on the eyes and on the face, because we want to sculpt that thing everywhere. And yeah, so to finish off everything, I'm gonna put the Fix Plus in Coconut. This is actually a new one because I had the other one for so long, so I had to change it. I don't actually know what it smells like. Is the coconut good? Let's find out. I'm like, okay, it's good. I'm like, I need like one of those. I need one of those for sure. I love it. I feel like it smells like summer. At least it doesn't stay for too long. Like when it dries down, you don't smell it anymore. And that's one thing that I absolutely love about that. I wouldn't like something that just stays on all day, but I love it. It's really nice. Okay, the coconut one is nice. It's more like it's more of like a sweet coconut. It's not like a weird coconut. It's like a vanilla coconut kind of. It's really, really nice. Anyways, if you like that, because I have perfumes that smells like this a bit and it smells really nice. Anyways, we're not reviewing this one, but that's what it is. So that's the makeup for today. What do you guys think? I feel like the Fix Plus brings back a little bit of life into the skin, something a bit more kind of natural, less powdery. The highlight is just popping, especially on one side and not the other side. Anyways, we're living for this side and not the other one, which usually this is my bad side and the other one is the good side. Okay, so anyways, this is the makeup for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to like the video, to comment down below what you want to see next, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys!